Thutha wa atongoria matiganite gukirira uria arutwo maratumwo thukuru-ini itiganite na ingi cia gitaro gia gatagati igituo thukuru cia National, President Ruto ni okirire ndeto eno akiuga murutwo o wothe ari na wiyathi wa guthomera thukuru uria ekwenda.
And we will not allow no politician, however desperate they may be, however bankrupt they may be, to erect new boundaries for our children. We want our children to learn in every institution that is available to them in Kenya. Especially our national schools must have access to all the children of Kenya equally.
Oho President akiuga waki wa thukuru cia National wokire niguo kweheria ukoroni uria wagayukanagia a Kenya na mithingi ya irathi na meikarire.
Na ndio mimi nataka niwaambie brainless bankrupt politicians who want to create barriers, who want to erect roadblocks. I want to tell them the reason why we have national schools is because we wanted to break down the barriers of colonialism and ethnicity.
Gukire uguo, President akiuga thukuru ici ciakitwo na kigina kiria kiumite thirikari-ini ya bururi wa Kenya, akiuria atongoria aya kweheria ukabira maundu-ini megimainie na githomo.
In any case, all those schools have been built using resources from the government of Kenya, especially the national schools.
Ihinda-ini o riu, President ni arutite mukana kuri arutani anene guku bururi-ini na makiria kuma thukuru-ini cia kuinukwo kana cia day kuri uria ungigeria kuingata ciana ni undu wa marihi ma thukuru.
Sasa capitation itakuwa inatangulia shuleni na hakuna mtoto atafukuzwa shuleni kwa sababu ya mambo ya pesa. And I want to make it absolutely clear, especially for day schools, that no child should be sent home ati kwa sababu ya maneno ya fees, kwa sababu serikali ya Kenya inagharamia 100% mambo ya kusomesha watoto wetu katika mashule. Ile pesa mzazi anahitajika kulipa ni ya boarding school na mambo mengine madogo.
Aritie o ari igongona-ini ria kuruguria mubango wa mbeu njithi wa Nyota kaunti-ini ya Naikuru.